Hey friends, if you wish to enhance text contrast and improve font rendering in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. You know what, this should have been a feature by default, but anyway, just open Edge and type Edge colon // flags flags and hit enter. Type the word enhance. Okay, and you'll find this option here, enhance text contrast. Change it from default to enabled. Okay, and then restart Edge. So we will restart Edge and the text contrast will be improved. So let us try to check, and you will notice a visible change. Now here's the thing, you might say that my changes are not as prominent as those on someone else's computer. So the changes will use more of your system resources, which is not a lot, but it will only limit the issue. I mean, it will only limit the uh, texture to the capabilities of the graphics card of your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.